Developed at the Institute for Creative Technologies at the University of Southern California, Full Spectrum Command 1.5 is a cognitive leadership trainer for light infantry company commanders. Developed through a partnering agreement between the U.S. Army and Singapore Armed Forces, the application includes both the McKenna and Sylvie urban training sites, along with U.S. and Singapore force structures. The application features an asymmetric opposing force, or OPFOR, typical of the environment in which U.S. forces now operate. Play begins with the selection of a mission, playing either U.S. or Singapore forces in either environment. New missions may be created with an intuitive authoring tool. The student receives an operational order which, in some cases, he must analyze and interpret while the simulation is running, an additional real-world stress. Following the op-ord, relative combat power analysis allows for the custom composition and equipping of the company's platoons. In this critical step, the execution matrix captures the student's plan by phases, with go codes issued for battlefield synchronization. This palette provides a full range of commander's options, including maneuver, support by fire, breaching, and seizing. In execution, the student's perspective matches the commander on the ground. Situational awareness is developed through radio calls and sit-reps from the company's platoon leaders. If additional features like this heads-up display and GPS are activated, Blue Force positions are available in real time, as shown with these icons. Throughout the execution phase, students will likely issue fragmentary orders, or fragos, to adjust to the developing engagement. Full Spectrum Command's artificial intelligence interprets the student's orders and carries out the plan with doctrinally correct methods. They also behave autonomously. If they come under fire, they will drop, seek cover, and return fire without waiting for instructions. This God's Eye view is available in the after-action review. We've peeled away the skin on these buildings to demonstrate how the application's intelligence carries out a building breach, with soldiers clearing the rooms in sequence. Compared to other commercial games which might allocate 20% or less of processor capacity to AI, Full Spectrum Command uses over 60% to control soldiers, enemy combatants, and civilians in the environment. Additionally, there is a 5-part after-action review including mission statistics, a review of the initial op-ord, the student's execution matrix, along with the enemy's plan revealed for the first time. This final review element features explainable artificial intelligence, technology developed through ICT research. Students and instructors may scrub this timeline with red and blue hash marks corresponding to key events in the simulation run, beginning of a task, end of a task, first contact with the enemy, and the like. Clicking on the event cues the application to the point in time and space where the action occurred. Selecting an individual soldier, students are able to glean key pieces of information, such as the soldier's supply status, task organization, and mission. This serves to explain the soldier's behavior. Not shooting back at the enemy might arise from running out of ammunition, for example.